Hi everyone. Now let's talk about binary form. So in integer we have different types of forms. Now we are discussing about binary form. So now binary form in the cell, like what is the meaning of binary form means? We can call it as it's a byte code. Okay, you can call it as byte code, or you can say binary language. Okay, or you can say machine understandable language, or you can say machine language. Whatever we are writing here internally it will convert and it will accept as a machine language, machine understand. So whatever we are writing this machine and binary, it will not accept by the machine, so it will convert into the machine understandable language into a binary format. Okay, so then in this it will accept, or you can say base value for binary form. Okay, base value for binary form is 2. Base value for binary form is 2. How we can say 2 means it will accept only 2 digits. Okay, it will accept only 2 values, or you can say 2 digits. So those digits you can say they are 0 and 1. These two are acceptable by the binary form. So whatever you are writing, we are converting into binary form. So if wherever you can able to see this binary form, you can get 0 and 1s. Those are called machine understandable language. But here one important thing, when we are working with binary form in Python, then we need to use prefix. Okay, prefix as, then whatever the value here, 0 small b, or you can say 0 capital B in front of the value. So whatever, if we want to work with binary form, we need to pass 0 small b or 0 capital B in front of the value, then only we can consider that value is a binary value. So now let's see, if you take directly 100 like a 10, then it will come under decimal form because we don't have any prefix here. Okay, when we have prefix it will come under binary format. So now what we need to understand here, now this is decimal form. Okay, so when there is no prefix, then that will consider as a decimal form. If we find, if you find anywhere 0b or 0 capital B, then that will be binary form. So then you can say a equal to 0b then 111. I'm just taking all ones. Now print of a. So now convert. Then the value we are getting into integer. So that means this value will be representing 7 here. Even you try to take 0 capital B also. Okay, then it will give same results. Now our question is how it is converting into value, right? So just have a look into this. The simple clarifications here. Just understand. Then what are the values we have? We have values, only two values. Those three values we have. Those are like 1, then 1, then 1. So then what you need to do? This is array initialization. Initially it will start from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2. For array it will have accessibility from 0 for each array. Now we are working on binary, right? So when we are working with binary, then binary base value will be 2, right? So base value is 2. Now let's see here. You need to calculate the sum. So how it will be? Then whatever the value inside the array, then 1 into 2 power 0 you can take it. Then you can add the sum. Then again you can say, even inside the box 1 into then 2 power 1 here. Okay. Then here 1 inside the box and 2 and then 2 square. Base value always we can calculate. Now you can sum all the values. 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 power always 2 power 1 always it will be 2 here, and then 1 into 2 power 0 always 1 here, okay, not 0. Then 4 plus 2 plus 1, so that will be 7. So like this we are getting value for binary value, okay. So you can take it anywhere, whatever the value. So that's why it is coming 7 value. Now it is accepting only zeros and ones. Now you take same value, then observe here 101 I'm just taking. Okay. You can take big values also, not a problem, but just calculations I'm taking. Here it is coming 5. How it will be? Let's take same example here, and then you can take it like this. How many values are there? 3 values. If you want to take it, you can take it big values also, not a problem. What are the values inside? So those values are 1, then 0, then 1. These values are available, 101. So as we know, it will start from 0, okay, then 1. If you have 10, you can do like this also, not a problem. Then our calculation part will come here. So then 1 into base value will be 2 only, right? 2 always we can use 2 power, sorry, 2 power 0. Then here, now inside the box value will be 0, not 1. 0 into 1, sorry, base value will be 2. So that means 2 power 1. Now inside the box value will be, then here 1 into 2, then 2 power 2 here. Base value 2, and then array number here, 2 here. So that means 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 power 1, 2. Let's see. And then 1 into 2 power 0, 1. So here 4, 0 into something 0, then 1 into 1. So here total value will be 5. So like this we can get value of binary here into integer. Okay, this is the calculation part. So now when you are accepting any value out of this, if you are accepting 2 here, now try to execute. So then it will throw an error because it will accept only values 0 comma 1. Any value you can take it, okay. If you are accepting, like instead of 2 you can take it like r, then it will throw an error. So it will accept only two values, 0 and 1. That's why the base value will be 2. Now you can take it any values like this, but not a problem, okay. So you can get the value like this, but you need to understand, for binary form in Python, if you want to observe the data, if you want to specify, you can use 0b, or same thing you can say 0b or 0 capital B or 0 small b. Anything is fine. But here, when you are getting error, first you need to check if it is in in front of some prefix is there 0b, then you can consider that will be binary form, okay. So make sure wherever you observe in your project 0b in prefix values, those are called binary data. So make sure about it, okay. So thank you so much. We'll see in the next form in the next class. Thank you.